You'll find sugar boxes around the map. Some contain items and some contain nothing. The items you get will have diamonds, gold, and iron. Per diamond gives you 2 points, and the gold and iron gives you 1 point. The points will add up to your total score. The highest score wins. Good luck. Game lasts 10 minutes. Recording your POV and giving it to Lightning FNC will give you 2 points for free. LFNC.
All right.
Okay, pick a chat TV.
He said 6.
Okay. Okay, why tier named this? Yes. A white tier name Mrs. C. Oh, call guy type.
Oh, there's a book in there.
Yeah, it's book, same one. Okay, grab the book, white tier name Mrs. C. Call guy.
Hold on. Okay, so I got to grab one of these.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, yeah.
Everyone have a book. I give it everyone.
Oh, there's nothing in that one. Hey, hang on.
That's cool how you put all our names in there, Lightning.
Yes. Okay, pick a normal type Mr. C. This one, guys. Normal. This. Call guy.
In the book?
Yeah. No. Down here.
I can't.
Table.
Hold on. Oh, I type.
I'm a little confused.
Oh, type his name. Hold on. Here, Mr.
What are you confused about?
Okay, where am I getting this book from?
In your chat. That's one.
In my.
You said 6 in the chat.
Yeah. You're right.
Okay, put in your chat have a book.
In my
chat. That's one. Do you see me? I jump up and down.
Okay, that's my chest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oranges. Okay, all right.
Grab your book out.
I see a crafting table. That's all I see in there.
Craft table. Yeah, I give you a deal. Now you got grab your guy's book.
I got my book already, Lightning.
Oh, okay. I see one now. There we go.
Okay. When the game is over, you put all of your stuff in there. The chest.
In that chest, in that particular chest.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is box number 5 then, right?
I now record Lightning.
Okay. Are you okay? Come down here. The game will very soon start. Online. You know how to open the Chocobot Carol TV?
I'm sure I can figure it out.
Go open the demo.
I did this last year, but I've forgotten almost everything. I've not played Minecraft in a long.
Okay, go open one. The dummy one.
All right.
Go open one. Go open one. The dummy one. Carol TV.
Oh, yeah.
Go away. Right there. When you open the game.
I think you enter at hit LT.
Hang on.
Oh, no. Break.
Yeah, that you got it.
There you go. Okay, there's a 1 point in there.
Yeah, fake one. That one is fake one.
It's just fake. It's just a demo.
Okay. Very good. Okay.
Hey, Poker Picture, are you coming to the game, Poker Picture, or not?
Man.
Is he typing in chat?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
On YouTube. Wait for Poker Picture coming. Oh, no, more people coming. We have more people.
More people coming? Okay.
Yeah, wait for.
Yeah, I just got it like, actually, how do I should change my Discord thing to push to speak. Hang on.
Oh, no. Welcome to TikTok.
Shadow said he was going to stop by Mr. C.
Oh, okay, nice. Always good to see Shadow.
Yeah.
And I do.
I've been playing some. Oh,
voice and video.
You can go ahead, Lightning.
Wait for a picture. I'm going.
All right. I've been playing a lot of games with him recently, Mr. C.
No.
Oh.
No, we waiting for you, Poker Picture. Come in the waiting room. You want to play with us? Let me know right now.
Yeah, probably simulation games with him. He loves those.
Yeah, I've been playing Diablo and stuff with him. Deep Rock Galactic.
Are you coming, Poker Picture, or not? We start the game very soon.
that brown panda looking at me?
Wait for-
Lonnie, I told him we haven't started yet. We'll start soon.
Okay. Wait for pocket.
Yeah, it is. Duckiosis, look, there's a brown panda right there.
Okay. Okay, come in the waiting room. Oh, yeah.
No, he's shaking his head.
Oh, he said he'll. Okay, that's him.
Yay. On. I need to access the game. Hey, Pocket Picture.
Hey, Broken Pikachu.
I need to add you guys.
Wait, you're muted, Broken Pikachu. Nope.
Oh,
Oh,
he
no.
might be having mic issues.
On. I need to invite him. No. Oh, I do this.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up, Burka Pikachu?
Not much.
You. How to spell your name? Pocket Picture. S-E.
What are you trying to do?
What's your name?
He's inviting you to the realm.
How to spell your name?
Oh, it's the realm. Okay.
How to spell?
Seryza.
Okay, I see it. I'll go. Now, when you saw a picture of a bell, when you open Minecraft, you see a picture of a bell. Press it, then set it.
Do any of your friends play Minecraft, Mr. C?
Not in a long time. I used to keep a realm going, which was really fun.
Yes.
It was I had the Halo skins for everything, but then everything went cross-platform, and all the and Microsoft removed like the Halo stuff there from any realms, so that no one on PlayStation or Nintendo would get offended by seeing Master Chief stuff. So that's pretty much when I stopped playing.
Yeah, so
Wow, that
You-
sounds stupid.
Yeah, well, they all do it. I mean, like you can buy like Mario skins for Minecraft if you have
Oh,
a
yeah.
Nintendo
Hey,
console.
somebody watching my
Doesn't
stream.
show up on anyone else's.
Nice.
You know.
Are you coming into the game for picture?
Yeah.
Okay, do you see a picture of bell? Set my one server link. Okay, wait for poker picture and the game start. Yay!
There he is.
Yep.
Okay, give me your map. Give me your map. Move back, guys. Okay, okay, you don't need the map that way. You know how to play poker picture or no?
Let me see. I think maybe.
Okay, pick. Okay, pick a chest after you're done.
Did you see that, Mr. C? He put all our names right behind you, like all Lightning's helpers right here.
Yep.
Pick a chest book picture, then we start. You see no name, then type your name down.
That you just testing out the
Okay.
taunts, Mr. C.
Okay. The game where you start. Don't break nothing. Character and pocket picture.
Wait,
One.
what?
Don't break nothing. Go open one dummy chest. Go open one of that.
Lightning, you can go through the thing already.
Oh, no, you cannot. Can someone try it? Go try.
Nope.
No, okay. Can you? Okay. Oh, you
This
got.
is for people who don't know. This is the world that Lightning. This is a mock-up of the world that he records on.
Yes. Yeah. Are you guys ready? Character? Oh, MJ, yes. Okay. Okay. You guys can start record your screen right now. Who want more?
I am recording my POV.
Okay.
Oh, really? Wow.
Are you ready? Say me 1, 2, 3.
Wait, hang on
No.
a second.
Wait. Call guy, wait.
Wait,
Yeah,
car guy,
recording
come
only
here.
works on PC, right?
Yes. Hold on. Wait, open. Don't go.
All right, I think I'm ready.
Are you ready, KTV? Okay. Let KTV go down cell. Go email you. Okay,
He's out.
come.
No.
Hold on. You go rock. Okay.
It's
Okay.
funny. You're waving at us all.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go down cell, guys. Go. No, down cell. KTV. Go. Go sort the. Go. Have fun. Don't not say nothing, guys. How much chocolate you guys find?
Green flag is what they'd say in racing.
Okay, go. I need to put the time away now. Good. Only 10 minutes, guys. Go look everywhere, guys. Don't stop. Only 10 minutes. The game. Now easy because this map is so small. And that's part 2 map is kind of hard. Going to be.
Oh, for next year, Lightning?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we have built lots of stuff next year. This year and next year.
Mm,
1 minute passed, guys. 9 more minutes, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
You can look inside the house everywhere. I don't mind.
The birdhouse.
But tree house. Anything you want to see what I doing, what I built, go in. Hello, TikTok.
Hello, TikTok.
TikTok.
Tiki talk.
TikTok.
Tiki
Oh,
talk.
oh, none.
TikTok.
Oh, okay, TV. I need to give him 2 diamonds.
Yeah, I started putting my blocks on the ground. I'm so done. Right.
It's okay. I give you 2 extra.
That's
Gold
okay. No,
block.
I almost got him. Almost got him.
I'll give you 2 as a 1. You lost 2. I need. Hello. Please don't break nothing.
God, these sugar boxes are getting me stuck.
Careful.
Like when I open them and I'm trying to escape, they just caught me or whatever I'm trying to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damn it, I did it again.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. I need to give you 3. You can leave there or then I will watch you replay on your let's play on your live stream. It's stuck on battery. Don't
you
grab a I watch your live stream. Don't
Yeah.
not you see a block of gold, do not grab it, guys. It's not yours.
Okay.
It's a Kill TV. Yeah, and I will watch his live stream. Then I give him how much points. And this will come out on next Friday. Then
Yeah, Lightning's recording right now too.
yes. Okay, I want to know. One more minute, guys. The game is over.
1 more minute.
Okay.
1 more minute.
No, one more.
4.
Oh.
Yeah. Don't look at me. I am a camera guy.
I'm not. I'm looking at my own game.
Do you want me to try to send you the link to my Twitch, Lightning?
Yes, you want to go ahead and not now.
After.
At all. Yeah. Yeah. MQ.
Oh, I see that gold block.
Yeah, don't forget the Kill TV gold block. I need to give him 3 spare 1. Then I will check his live stream. Make sure I give you a tip about we have 3 more minutes. 2 more minutes, then I give you a small tip. And maybe you guys can find a diamond sugar boss. Do not tell me what you got.
Yeah, these circle boxes hate me today. I'm getting stuck on them like a spider web.
Oh, Minecraft.
Yeah. I don't care.
Do not go. Please don't go under the bridge. Not now.
I did, but came back.
Yeah, do not go. Not down there. Only in the game we can't go down.
Hey, Broken Pikachu. Hey.
I feel like I've searched everywhere.
Make sure to look inside, outside. I don't tell you guess who the winner of the game. only in next Friday you guys need to figure it out. Because I need to figure out it. I give you a small tip. Make sure you guys do a barcode this game because I hide Chocobar's barcode too as well. We have 1 more minute, guys. And do not break nothing. I see something break, and then I watch mine replay.
What do we do with the book, Lightning?
Hold it. You can after you can put inside your own chest. Okay. No one there. Five more minutes, guys. Need to heading by the bridge or the tunnel.
Head back
Okay.
to the
Go,
tunnel.
everyone. Yeah, everyone need to heading back the tunnel.
Okay, I'm going back.
Their TV
where we-
call.
Where
And-
we
Back in a
started.
minute. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, go back where you start the game. Wait for a pocket picture now. Don't go back to the tunnel, Care TV. Right here.
Yeah. Well, where? Oh,
Go
okay.
back.
Yeah.
Go back. Are you coming, pocket picture? On. Wait for pocket picture. Okay, put all of you guys in the chat. Wait for pocket picture.
Lion, did you see me go through the tunnel?
Yes. I see
all
everyone sub pocket picture now. Now
Even
you
the-
guys put
Oh.
all of your stuff in the chat. Your name on the chat, guys. Put all of your stuff in there. Wait for. Don't go, guy. The game is over. Wait for. Then after you put your stuff in there, please leave the game.
Oh, okay, leave the game.
After you put all of you guys stuff in there inside the chat.
I'm coming back now.
Okay,
Oh.
well, alright, well, I'm done.